guide him?
Yeah.
Or we'll have him guide him?
You guide him? You want to guide him up?
Yeah, yeah. Hitches on the ground. You get it? Yeah.
Go hard left when you get up. Hard on it. Go to the right.
He's been up it before, hasn't he?
Yeah, he's been up it. He's been up it on 33s.
We just went up it. Does he got lockers now?
Yeah.
Looks good.
You're locked front and rear, right? All right. Go hard left. Once it starts to, no, your left.
Your left.
Not my left.
Driver.
Yeah,
Driver.
yeah, hard driver. As soon as you start to get it up over, start rocking it towards us.